Hey, this is Eric from AHA. Today we get to declutter duplicate feedback. I've got an AI assistant here that's going to clean house in my ideas portal so that I've got a clear view of what matters most to my customers. Check it out. Okay, here we are on the ideas overview page. This is kind of behind the scenes of my ideas portal where I do a lot of ideas management. Here's the activity section where I can see per individual ideas what's happening. And here's a new tab that has a magic wand on it. So let's click that. Okay, so I've always been able to merge duplicate ideas in my portal, right? That's one of the core parts of ideas management. But now the AI assistant suggests potential duplicates for me, which was honestly a lot of the hardest part of that work. Do I have to build my own list report to see them? No, this is AHA. Of course you don't. So here's some potentials it's identified for me. And a lot of core data, so I can see at a glance whether something might fit or not. I could also click into these for more details. Man, this Eric Johnson guy really cares about this topic. We should pay attention to him. Okay, if I like the suggestions they're making, I can select them here one by one or choose all of them, and we'll bulk edit to merge. I just need to pick the idea that's going to stay behind. I'll pick that top one in this list here. And when I click apply, here's what happens. Anyone subscribed to those other ideas, any comments they've made, and any votes that are unique to those ideas get merged into the remaining one right here. So I've centralized my feedback. And that's pretty much it. This was something I could always do, but now I don't need to waste precious seconds of my human life searching out duplicates by myself. I can review what the AI assistant has given me and go forth with joy and gladness. Enjoy.